go, baby.
No way.
Let's go, baby. What's up, everybody? Welcome to our channel. My name is Pity.
I'm Ben.
And today we are going to do a budget fishing challenge. We're going to take supplies from the garbage, maybe even our fridge, the Dollar Tree, go to a ditch at the side of the road and see what we can catch. Let's get started. So the supplies we need today for this trap are some kind of jug, some bait to put inside of the jug to attract the fish, and some kind of rope or something to tie it off. So we don't really have an empty bottle, so we went to our fridge, and we've still got quite a bit of milk left here, so hold on, we'll take care of that. Okay, so now all we're gonna do is cut a hole in the top for the fish to enter, and then a bunch of drainage holes in the bottom, so when we pull it up, we're gonna tie it off here. When we pull it up, the water's gonna go that way, and the fish are gonna be trapped inside. So now we're on our way to the Dollar Tree. We're not sponsored by Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor our channel, feel free. Here we go. This might do for now. We'll see if we can find something a little better, but I think that would work. It's actually going to be better. Go this paracord. Alright, so now we've got our line. All we need is some kind of bait for the fish for inside the trap. I'm going to try to find some kind of bread, something like that. Family style white bread. I think that'll do the trick. So we got our materials, just some bread, some paracord, all for a whopping $2.13. Back to the house. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna bait our trap. So we're just gonna take some of that nice family style white bread, get the little twisty tie undone here, and then put one piece, maybe two pieces crumbled up on the inside, because everyone knows fish love the end pieces. Now, what I'm going to do, I need a knife. I'm just going to take the paracord here and just tie it right around the handle of the jug. That should be good enough. Nice and snug. Alright, let's go. As I walked up, this pond is full of life. I see some fish right now. I don't know what species they are, but we're going to try to get them today. We baited the trap. I'm just going to throw a little bit of bread out, try to entice them, bring them in, and then I'm going to throw this out and maybe tie the cord off to a tree or something. We're going to wait, then come back, see what we find. All right, let's do it. Invincible. All right, let's throw out this. So I'm going to approach it nice and quietly. I think it's time. We've waited a little while, about 15 minutes. I see some commotion in the water over there, so I'm going to quietly go over and check it out. Let's go. Oh, we got one. Oh boy, alright, let me fill the bucket. We don't have one. I'm an idiot. Alright, let's put it back out there. We just found this little friend on our way to go check the fish trap. Look at those eyes. Such a beautiful creature. There you go. Alright, let's get some fish. Alright, so we're back in the pond. Time to check this thing out. We've left it there for quite a while now, so hopefully we get something. Let's go. Let's see. Alright guys, we're back out here. Try number 2. Hopefully this one works a little better. Alright guys, so just for fun, I'm going to try putting a balled up piece of bread on the end of this hook, see if we can find anything. Has the hook inside of it. Alright fish, let's get this bread. Go, baby.
No way.
Go, baby.
Oh! Oh!
Perfect.
No way.
Perfect.
What is that?
Oh.
Dude, what is that?
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look it up. Let's get water first, guys.
Dump everything up. I want to see him like a little better. You know?
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna go put this guy in our tank, set him up with a nice little setup, oxygenate some water, and we'll have to research which species it is. So we'll get right back to you. All right, we're back at our place, and we're gonna transfer this fish into our new tank. So you gotta make sure when you take fish from other water to not bring that water into your aquarium, because you don't know what kind of bacteria or harmful things you might have in it. So we're gonna get rid of this old water, getting just our new friend here, and then quick transfer to his new home. Check it out. Oh, already hiding under the rock. He's gonna be a little pale right now because he's pretty stressed, but we'll check back in a little bit when he gets some color and show you guys what he really looks like. Guys, look at that blue. Oh my gosh. This is our new pet. Everyone comment down below what you think we should name him. So we're back at the pond where we got our aquarium fish, and we found out that they're called green sunfish. Beautiful little creatures. So let's try again. We're not going to keep them if we catch them, just see if they're here. Right away. Oh, took my bait. Let's try again. Got it.
Woo!
Bigger. Biggest one yet.
Yep.
Barely hooked. So we can lift that one. Green sunfish, beautiful little fish. So guys, we figured out that they just hit anything that hits the water surface. So we're gonna try without any bread and just see if they go after the hook by itself. All right, Ben, give it a shot. No way. No way. Yo, let me see it. Oh, Just the hook, no bait. That's crazy.
How's that for clickbait?
Yes.
Woo! No bait needed. Just the hook fishing, that's what I'm talking about. What a beautiful little creature. Look at that blue. That blue right along its gills. Oh my gosh. Nature is crazy beautiful. Alright, let's let it go. There's a place we want. Alright, let's go check out another pond. Alright guys, so we're trying this second pond here. No idea if there's fish in it or not, but we'll give it a shot because the bread trick seemed to work really well. So no luck here, but let's go check back in on our pet sunfish. Come on. So you guys may be wondering why he's so timid right now, and it's just because he's in a new environment. So after a couple days, he'll start eating, he'll be a lot more comfortable, his colors will come through more, and he'll get used to it. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching our first video on this channel. We are so excited to be here on this journey with you. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment what we should name our green sunfish. Thanks for watching.